Well, hello there everyone. So this is my final doodle animation and hopefully you followed along and created yours. But just for explanations, I'm going to show you what I did and how I came up with this. So first I have a sub-X sheet. I'll just open the sub-X sheet so you can see what we have here. I separated all the layers like we saw in the example. So I had the sun on a separate layer. There it is. We can turn it off. And I had the burger on a separate layer, the whale, the chicken, the drumstick, the plants, and then I had the planet. And then I animated each of these separately to give them that animation. And I grouped them into a subsheet. I'll just close this subsheet so we can see that. So here we have our art, which is the rest of the content. And we have our background. And plainly, that was it. So feel free to play around. Feel free to do things like change the background color into any color you feel is suitable. Just like that. And have fun. In our next lesson, we're going to create a simple jumping animation of a geometric object. So see you guys in the next lesson.